If you want to search a song on a Motorola Moto G56, you have two methods, and both are pretty much the same. So what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the home button if you use 3 buttons for navigation, and if you use gestures for navigation, then you can press and hold on the navigation bar. If you hold for like a second or so, you should be able to activate Google's circle to search, and over here we have this icon which allows you to search for a song that is being played, for example, in the background. So if you tap over here, then Google will enable the microphone, and we can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get Google search results. Now, this is of course one way. The other way to start searching for a song is by going to the control center. But we have to actually edit our control center because we need to add a button. So tap on this pen icon in order to start editing, scroll all the way down, and you should be able to find song search option. So we can press and hold our finger and then just drag it all the way above this drag here to remove section. So add it to the list. Now we can go back, and there we go, we have song search. So I can tap on this button in order to turn on the music recognition feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.